Daaku Maharaaj Review. A stylish action flick worth watching. Daaku Maharaaj has quickly garnered attention for its electrifying action sequences and stylish narrative, offering a cinematic ride that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. This film has risen to the top of the must-watch list for action movie lovers, thanks to its gripping storyline and visually stunning moments. Directed by a visionary filmmaker, Daaku Maharaaj blends sharp action choreography with a compelling plot that revolves around a rebel hero seeking justice. The film stars an ensemble cast, with the lead actor delivering a standout performance full of intensity and emotion. The rawness of the character's journey adds layers to the action-packed sequences, making the stakes even higher. One of the film's defining features is its sleek cinematography. From heart-pounding chases to beautifully shot showdowns, every frame looks meticulously crafted. The soundtrack also stands out, amplifying the tension during key moments and keeping the momentum high. Though the movie is packed with action, it doesn't shy away from touching on powerful emotional themes, creating a well-rounded viewing experience. There are a few predictable moments, but the dynamic characters and intense pacing keep you invested. In all, Daaku Maharaaj is a stylish, action-packed thrill ride. If you're a fan of films that deliver heart, heroism, and high-octane sequences, this one is definitely for you. Have you seen it? Share your thoughts in the comments.